Harley-Davidson has released a teaser video letting everyone know they're about to launch some 2026 models on November 3rd. The timing is perfect to reveal new motorcycles right before EICMA. Hello everyone, I am Mike and welcome to New Bike Mike, where I like to share information about new bikes that I find interesting. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this in the future, then please remember to hit the subscribe. After all, it is free. The teaser video shows 3 existing models from Harley-Davidson, and I have 6 things you need to know. 1. The Nightster 975 is the first model to be displayed in the video. This model was launched in 2022 and priced at $13,500. But the bike has not taken off like Harley-Davidson hoped, and the price was dropped to $10,000 in 2025. Could it be possible we will see even smaller displacements of the Nightster, and maybe even a more affordable version, such as something like a Nightster 700? Something like that could fill a gap between the existing Nightster 975 and the anticipated Sprint. 2. The Lowrider ST is shown in the next segment. The Lowrider ST was launched in 2022 and is considered the premium cruiser in the lineup, and it is priced just north of $24,000. One reason the Lowrider ST has been so popular is because it is very well suited for touring due to the saddlebags and fixed fairing. There have been no rumors surrounding the Lowrider ST recently, so it'll be interesting to see if there is anything new slated for the Lowrider ST in 2026. But it's unlikely considering the 2025 model got the high output 117 engine, ride modes, new speedometer, 2-in-1 exhaust, and symmetric saddlebags all in 2025. Is there anything you feel Harley should change about the Lowrider ST? 3. Street Glide. We get some clips of the Street Glide, which was last updated in 2024, so further updates are unlikely. It just doesn't make sense for Harley-Davidson to be making any major changes on any of these models, so the question is, will we only see carryover models with new colors on Monday, November 3rd? 4. I expect to see the anticipated sub-6,000 Sprint motorcycle that was announced as coming in 2026. The question is, will we only see a teaser of the Sprint, or will it actually be released and we'll get more details of it? I'm hopeful that we'll get some details on this new 2026 model, even if it's not immediately available for sale. 5. Where can you watch the launch? The launch will be aired on Harley-Davidson's YouTube channel at 6 p.m. Central on November 3rd. I know I will be tuned in to see what is revealed. Leave me a comment and let me know if you're tuning in and if there's anything new you're hoping to see from Harley-Davidson in 2026. 6. Chapter 1. The title of the reveal video and the teaser references Chapter 1. So we can expect at least a Chapter 2, but I'm thinking this will most likely be a 3 or 4 part launch over the next year as Harley-Davidson transitions from a spring launch date to a fall launch for their new models. Don't forget to like the video, it really helps the channel grow, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from New Bike Mike. Thanks guys, see you in the next one.